teacher.
Good morning يا حبايبي عاملين ايه؟
Good morning, Miss.
How are you all?
Fine.
Kinda Regina, Omar, Ziad, where is Marwan?
We don't know.
Okay, I will send a message on the group. Okay, let us share.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Marwan. Why you are late?
Sorry.
Okay, guys, Regina do the experiment to us, and it's very amazing. And I want to share the video. She made it to see you all. So let us see what Regina does.
Okay, sorry because I didn't make the experiment, but I didn't have the time to make it because we
Okay,
have
Marwan,
a very much.
it's preferred that you made it. Okay, let us see what she. Is the voice is clear?
Can you open? No, I don't hear anything.
Okay, look at what she is doing, and then I will share this video on the group, inshallah.
Okay.
She told us about the tools she used: paper, pen, ruler, CD, carton, seared. Now she will use the colors to color the CD. Now she will use the scissors to cut. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then she will stick this paper on the carton she will cut the circle on the carton. Then it will glue the carton with the paper like that. Then now she will use the third. She made an open by two peaks. She bring a string and then she tie it. Yes, and now she made the game. You see the white color, the rainbow turns into white color. If you use more light colors,
Teacher,
yes,
can you send the video so we can do it?
yes, I sent a video before. I send a video to you.
Okay, inshallah, I will do it. Inshallah.
On the YouTube. I send the link and I will send the video of Rejana. Okay, thank you very, very much, Rejana, and I am very pleased for your video. And I hope you do all the experiments in the next sessions, inshallah. I hope you do it by this way. Thank you, Habibti.
You're welcome.
Okay, Kinda, Marwan, Omar, Ziad, I hope you will make something like that, like Rejana have done. And I hope you enjoy with it, okay? Okay, I will share the video on the group, inshallah. Let us now start our session. I will share the PDF right now. In the last session, we talked about seeing the colored opaque object, and we take three types of opaque object. We take the white object, the black opaque object, and the colored opaque object. We take this before at the last session, if you remember. Okay, now we have an activity.
Okay.
Okay, this activity is about seeing the colored opaque object through colored transparent object. Again, in this case, to know how you can see the colored opaque object through colored transparent object, I will use apple and I will use a transparent material, but it will be colored. Transparent object, but it will be colored. Let us see what we will do in this experiment. Before we do anything, I want to from Omar to read the first step, Omar.
Yes.
Yes, Omar.
Look at red apple
Look at a red apple.
through red
Yes.
transparent glass sheet.
Yes.
And
a green or blue transparent.
glass sheet.
Very good. So he wanted from me to look through a red transparent sheet like this, red one, and then we look about this green transparent sheet. And then we will see what we're gonna see in this case. The observation number 1, Kinda, can you read it?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher, sand.
Okay. Yes, Kinda.
Teacher, which one?
Number 1.
Okay, the apple
Yeah.
appears red when you look at it through the red transparent glass sheet. The apple
Okay.
appears in no color black when you look
Yes.
at it through the green or blue transparent glass sheet.
Okay, very good. In this case, when we look from the red sheet, I will see the apple with a red color. Okay. But when we gonna use a green sheet or a blue transparent sheet, I will see this color, or I will see the apple with black. Why, teacher? Why I see this apple in black? Let us see.
Because the red,
Explanation. I want from Marwan to read the explanation.
okay. The apple appears red through the red transparent glass sheet because the apple appears absorb
Absorbs
all light colors that fall on it and reflect the red light only.
the red color only. Okay. Number 2, Marwan. The reflected.
I have a question.
Okay.
Why the apple reflected the red light on red color
Okay, I
only?
will explain it. Read the second one, I will explain it. The reflected red light
red light stickers
strikes
strikes the red transparent glass sheet and transmitting through it, then reaches our eyes.
Okay.
The apple appears in no color black through the green or the blue transparent glass sheet because the reflected red light from the apple is absorbed by green or blue transparent glass sheet and doesn't transmit through them.
Yes. Okay, let us explain on this photo. In this case, when the white light strikes the apple, the white light has 7 spectrum colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So the apple will absorb the red color and it will reflect the red color to our eye. But there is a red sheet. What will happen here, teacher? The red sheet will absorb the red color and then it will allow to the red color to pass through it. So again, this sheet will allow, number 1, it will absorb the red color which is reflected from the apple, and then it will allow the red color to pass through it. So in this case, we see the red apple with red color from the sheet. Okay, in the second case, teacher, when the light falls, the white light falls on the apple, the white light which has 7 spectrum colors, which red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. What will happen in this case, teacher? In this case, the apple will absorb the red color and then it will reflect it. It will reflect the red color. Okay, in this case, we have a green sheet. What will the green sheet do? The green sheet will absorb the red color, but it won't allow to transmit it. It will not transmit. So we will see the apple with black color. we will see the apple with black color. If we remember at the last session, when we take black object or black opaque object in this case, we said that when the light falls on it and it absorbs the sheet absorbs the color and don't reflect it again, if it don't reflect it again, we see it with black. Right or wrong?
Yes, right. Because the black is not a color of the Smithsonian spectrum.
Yes. And in this
And
case, when we
reflected.
okay, and in this case, when we see when a white sheet, when the light falls in it, it reflects all the colors. So we see it with white. And if it reflects only the red color, we will see it with red, right? And if it's allow and reflect the green color only to reflect, we will see the sheet with green and so on. So we see in the experiment, we see the apple with black color because the green sheet in this case absorbs the red color and it doesn't allow the red color to transmit through it. It cannot transmit. Did we got it or not, guys?
I got it, but why the apple reflect only the red?
Because its color is red.
Okay, he takes the color from what?
From the sunlight or from the white color.
Oh,
the white
okay.
light. The white light,
The
which consists of 7 spectrum, red, orange, yellow, and so on. So it absorbs the red from the white color and reflects the red. You got it, Marwan?
Yes, I got it. Thanks.
Kinda?
Yes, teacher, I got it.
Omar?
Yes, I got it.
Jana?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, Ziad? Ziad? Ziad, are
Yes,
you with
miss.
us? You got it, Ziad?
Yes, yes. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it.
Okay, very good. Okay, now I want from Jana to read the conclusion of the experiment.
Okay. The opaque object is seen in the real color when you look at it through a transparent object that has the same color.
Okay, so in this case, we can conclude that if we look at objects through a transparent material and the transparent material have the same color of the object, so we will see the real color of the object. But in case of the transparent material has a different color, it's different about the real object, so we see the black color of it. We got it or not?
We got
Teacher, I didn't
if
got it.
if we have the green sheet, we will see it black because
Yes,
the apple reflect only the red.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, I will say it again to Kinda. Kinda, which didn't understand. Okay, Kinda. In this case, Kinda, the sheet is with red, right or wrong?
Right.
And the apple is with red, has red color, right or wrong?
Right.
So I see the apple through a sheet which has the same color. They have the same color. The apple is red and just the sheet is red. So our eyes will see the red color of the apple. Okay, in this case, the sheet is green, right? and
Right.
the apple was red. So they are different from each other. They don't have the same color. So when we're gonna see through this green sheet paper, I will see black color. I wouldn't see or I couldn't see the real color of the apple. You got it?
Yeah.
Kinda, you got it?
Yeah.
Rejana?
Yes.
Ziad?
Yes,
Ziad?
miss. Yes, miss.
Did you got it?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, where is Omar? He left?
Maybe he got disconnected.
Okay, let me send him a message. Okay, let us move to another page. This page is about mixing the colored lights. Mixing the colored lights. It's very easy, by the way. Okay, did you know what is the primary colors? Did any one of you know what are the primary color?
What?
What are the primary colors?
Yes, it's the like
Which are the primary colors?
it's like like
Okay, Marwan, I will say it.
the rainbow. It's the other colors like brown, like this, right?
Yeah, okay, it seems right. Okay, let us say
Red
it. Let us say it, Marwan.
okay.
Don't play on the board.
Okay.
Okay, we have two types of color. We have two types of color, primary colors and secondary colors. Again, we have two types of color, primary colors and secondary colors. Okay, what are primary colors, Miss? Primary colors is three: red, yellow, and blue. Again, what are the primary colors, teacher? They are three only: red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue.
Red,
This
yellow,
is,
and blue.
yes, these are the primary colors. Okay, when we gonna mix these primary colors together, if I mix red with yellow, or red with blue, or yellow with blue, and so on, if I'm gonna mix two of these primary colors together, they will give me another new color. This new color will be a secondary color. Again, if I mix, by the way, if I mix red with green, red with yellow, red, if I mix red with yellow.
Miss, green, not yellow.
Red with yellow, okay, wait. What it will give us if I mix red with yellow?
Orange.
Yes, it will give us orange. Very good. Who said orange? Who?
Lijana.
Rejana. Okay, very good, Rejana. So when we mix red with yellow, it will give us orange. So in this case, orange will be a secondary color. Red and yellow is primary. Orange is a secondary color. We got it?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, let us read this part. Mixing colored light.
Teacher,
Yes, yes.
and if we mix red with blue, it will give us violet.
Yes, it will give us violet or purple. Okay, and so on. So let us talk about the primary colors and the secondary colors. Okay, there are two types of colors light, which are primary colors and secondary colors. What is the meaning of primary colored lights? They are colored lights which cannot produce by mixing two other colors together. When we're gonna try to produce red by mixing the two different colors, it will not be produced. Why? Because red is a primary color, and the primary colors cannot produced by mixing two another colors. Okay, so what is the meaning, teacher, of primary colors? Primary colors is the color lights which cannot be produced by mixing the two other colors together. Okay, what are the primary colors? Primary colors is red, okay,
Red, yellow,
yellow, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, and blue.
blue.
Okay, and green, red, yellow, blue, and we will write yellow here, and green. Okay, when we gonna mix this primary colors together, we will mix them all together. Yellow with red, with green, and blue. When we're gonna mix these four colors together, they will give us white light produced. Yes, as we said in the 7 spectrum color, when we're gonna mix the 7 spectrum colors, yellow, green, blue, orange, indigo, and this all 7 spectrum colors, when we are gonna mix them together, they will produce white color, like the experiment Regina do it, right, Regina?
Yes.
Regina? Yes, Regina do it, and she see the white color. Okay, if we gonna mix two only, I will mix two only of the primary color. What it will produce? It will produce a secondary color. It will produce a secondary color, like the orange. The orange is a secondary color. Okay, guys? Okay, so what is the secondary color, teacher? Secondary colors, it's the colored light that produced by mixing two of the primary color light. If we're gonna mix two primary color, so the secondary color will appear. Okay, what is the example of secondary color? It's magnet, cyan, okay, and yellow, and so on. Red with green will give us yellow. Red with blue, it will give us magnet. Blue with green, it will give us cyan. Look at the picture here.
Magnet and cyan.
This is the color of magnet, magneta. This is the color of magneta. This is the color of cyan. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Did we got it?
Yes.
Okay, so in your the next experiment, you will try to mix the primary colors together, and then we will see the secondary colors which will appear. Okay?
Okay.
We will use these three colors only: red, green, and blue. Red, green, and blue.
Red.
And then we will mix two of them together. We will mix red with green, then we will mix green with blue, then we will mix red with blue, and so on, until we have the secondary colors. Okay, can you, Marwan, read what is the definition of primary colors? Marwan?
Teacher, can I?
Who wanna say?
Kinda.
Okay, Kinda, read it.
There are two types of colors, light.
No, I need from you to read the primary colored. Yes, they are.
They are colored lights which cannot be
Produced by.
by mixing two other colored lights.
Okay. The secondary colored lights, Regina.
Miss, can I read?
Yes, Regina, the secondary light. What are the secondary lights? Regina, you can read it.
Okay.
They
Which
are?
primary color?
No, secondary.
They are okay. They are colored lights that are produced by mixing two of the primary colored light.
Okay, very good. So in these circles, it shows the primary color, which are red, green,
Green, blue,
and
yellow.
blue. And then we will gonna mix them and we will see yellow, cyan, magenta. And if we're gonna mix the three colors together, or all of these colors together, yellow, red, blue, cyan, green, magenta, we will see the white color. Okay, if we are gonna mix all these colors together, like the seven spectrum colors, when we are gonna mix the seven spectrum colors, it will produce white. Right? Okay, let us move. We have here a give reason. Omar, can you read this give reason? Omar, did you got the previous page?
Yes.
Okay, Omar, read the give reason number 1. Red light is a primary colored light.
Because it can be produced by mixing any of the other colored light.
Okay, so red light is a primary. We consider it as a primary color because it cannot be produced by mixing any of the other colored lights. Okay, Ziad, can you read this part? Magneta, Ziad. Ziad Habibi, open the mic.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Can you read this? Magneta is called?
A secondary colored light.
Yes, why it's called the secondary colored light?
Because it is produced by mixing two of the primary colored lights, which are red and blue.
Yes, because it will produce by mixing two of the primary colors, which are red and blue. When we're gonna mix red and blue, the magneta will produce. So this is all, and we finish our lesson 2. In this session, we finish the lesson, and inshallah in the next session we will make a revision about lesson 2. So I want from you to study lesson 2 very well, because we will solve problems about it and we will solve the questions about it in the next session, inshallah. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, this is all for today, and see you soon in the next session. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.